So this is our continuation. We're in 3D. The reason why I did like that was that when I wanted to go to 3D, the record cut. So I have to start from here. So this 3D. So now the next step now we are going to do is that this our drawing is in top view, plane view. So we are going to put it in southeast isometry. So you see our drawing is in southeast isometry. So this is it. So copy the drawing like this. Join it together. So join. So I'm joining the join together like this. So now go to press code. Please press code here. This press code here. You press code your join by 9. Enter. 9. Enter. Here 2 by 9. 9. Enter. So surface 2 by 9. Enter. So now I think you understand. So you can go back and check very well. You can pause and play to understand this side very well. So it's in 2D wireframe, so you can put it in realistic. See, you can put it in conceptual mode. So now to get this circle in between now, like I said in the first video now, I should have drawn the circle from the 2D. Well, I want you guys to understand this box. So we have different type of shape here. We have the torus, wedge, pyramid, square, cone, and cylinder. So we are going to use the cylinder here. So we are going to use the cylinder here. So and if you remember that our circle in the middle, it is diameter of 16, and if diameter is 16, that means radius will be 8. So look for the center here, this center here. It will tell you to pick diameter, that is 8. Enter, drag it down. See, let me try the second one too. So cylinder, so look for the center, put your diameter 8, drag it down. So now how are we going to make the oval show? So we have something called subtract here. So there's many things in 3D. So if I'm less busy, I will do a video on the tools we have in 3D and how to make use of it. So we have subtract here. So the subtract is like you want to subtract is to remove something you don't want. So we want to get this. Oh yeah. So you press a subtract. For subtract, after subtract, you first click on the object you need. So we need this. You click on enter. So you now click on the one you don't need. That is this. We don't need this. We don't need this. So enter. You see now. So press subtract. Click on the object you need first. Clicking on it, press enter. Now the one you don't need. That is the cylinder. So press enter. I think you understand. So let me rotate the drawing so that you are going to see it. So this is it. So now see. So now let's go and draw this side, this one here. So to draw this side here, okay, let's put it in top view. This top view here. So I did not do the dimensioning of that one, but you can check your PDF for guide. So pick a line. If you check, the horizontal is 36, while the vertical is 30. So horizontal 36, pick a line from here, 36, enter. 30, that's the vertical line. So 36 again, 36, enter, 30, enter. So now, and if you don't forget that this big circle here, that one is the radius is 18. So we are going to pick radius of what, of 18, radius of 18 here. So 18, enter. So let me move it from conceptual mode and put it in 2D wireframe. So this 2D wireframe here. So, and just so you trim the one you don't need. Trim. So I think you understand that. So now we'll put our, it's in top view, put it in south east back. So it's in south like this. So now let's press put this, and don't forget that before you press put, always join together. So you see now there's difference, like you just be picking one by one. So just go to this press pull here, making press pull very well in your 3D drawing. Tap on it so you can press pull. That is 9, press pull by 9. So now what do you want to do now? Now let's rotate our drawing. You rotate it. This rotation here. See the rotation here, this rotation here. So you want to make the drawing to stand. So that it already stand here. So now let me copy from here and put it here. So tap on the drawing. So let's copy. Pick it from this side. Put it in this side that align with it. You understand? You can put it to this side too. Align with it. You see? You see how I did it? I pick it from this side. So now let me rotate the drawing on how this side is like. So this is here. I'll press the blue side. So I'll copy again. So we are done with the drawing. So now let's put it in conceptual mode. You see, so now I did a mistake. So let me go back. The mistake I did was that I did not remove this middle circle. So no worry, you can do it now. So just pick a cylinder. Look for the center point. This center point here. This center point, right? Pick it. So no, you won't be able to do it like that. So let me go back. My bad. Let me go back. Let me undo and go back. Let me go back. So it's from here. I should have done everything. So the inner circle here is 16 diameter. So I'll pick cylinder. Look for the center here. This is center. So diameter is 16, radius will be 8. Let me pick my 8, enter. Let me drag it down. So like I did before, let me subtract again. Let me put it in conceptual mode so as to see my drawing. This conceptual mode. So this subtracts, so subtract, enter. I don't want this, enter. So you see that. So now I can rotate and put it to the side I like. So you have to understand that this to the wireframe. So now this is it here. This might rotate here. So here. So let me just, I say you can draw the drawing anyhow you like. Our aim is to get our drawing and all the dimension right. So this is it here. So let's rotate it to the side we want again. So copy, copy, put it here. Wait, is that aligning? Let me put it in. Let me put it in conceptual mode to check when it's aligning with each other. No, this one did not align. Let's redo this one. Let me delete it. Not aligning with what we want here. So let me copy, pick it from this side, come here. It has aligned like that. So now we are done with our drawing. So hopefully done with our drawing. So we can, so we are done with our drawing like this. Let me rotate it to see what we have done. So you can see it from different view. Yes, this is the view. So thank you very much. Subscribe, comment, like, and share.